Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about the integral. We have the integral of a multiplied with dx over s to the power of 3 plus s. So now I will show you the technique how to answer the question. We put the number a outside. Next, this one we can put about s multiplied with s squared plus 1. Next, on numerator we can put about s squared plus 1 minus s squared. S squared plus 1 divide s squared plus 1, you got about 1 over s. S squared divided by s, you got about s over s squared plus 1. And now we can get the final answer. The integral of 1 over s, you got about ln of absolute value of s. The integral of s over s squared plus 1, you will get about 1 over 2 ln of s squared plus 1. Because s squared provides a positive number, that's why we don't need to use the absolute value in here. That's the end. Thank you for watching.